Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today we're going to be comparing decimals. So we could start by comparing decimals using pictures. For this problem, we have 0 and 57 hundredths, and we're comparing that to 0 and 7 tenths. Many kids might look at this and say, oh, 57 hundredths. Hundredths is a bigger place value, so that must be bigger. But we need to look at the pictures to really help us see if that's the truth. So we're going to start with a picture using our hundredths model of 57 hundredths. So again, we're going to color 5 rows of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 ones. So 5 tenths, 7 hundredths. Then I'm going to use a picture for the 7 tenths. Instead of using a tenths model, I'm going to use a hundredths model as well. In this model, I'm going to color 7 tenths. If I see this, I can see easily that 7 tenths colored in more than 57 hundredths. I can also, so therefore I know that 7 tenths is greater than 57 hundredths, or 57 hundredths is less than 7 tenths. I also remember when I was making equivalent fractions and equivalent decimals that I can add a 0 to the right of any decimal to make it into from the tenths place to the hundredths place. So if I did this, this would turn to 70 hundredths, and 70 is greater than 57. Okay, let's try another one. This time I have 3 and 5 hundredths, and I'm comparing it to 3 and 42 hundredths. Instead of using a picture, I'm going to use a place value chart. So I'm going to start with my place value chart, and I will first fill in 3 and 5 hundredths. So I have a 3 in the ones place, a 0 for the tenths place, and a 5 in the hundredths place. For 3 and 42 hundredths, I'm going to have a 3 in the ones place, a 4 in the tenths place, and a 2 in the hundredths place. When I'm comparing decimals, I always want to start in the greatest place value, so always starting to the left. So I see my ones places are the same. I'm going to then move to my tenths place and compare my tenths places. In this problem, I have 0 in the tenths place for 3 and 5 hundredths, and I have a 4 in the tenths place for 3 and 42 hundredths. Since those numbers are different, I can stop there and compare those. By comparing those, I know that 4 is greater than 0. So 3 and 5 hundredths is less than 3 and 42 hundredths. So when I'm comparing my decimals, I may either use a place value model, a hundredths model, or I can think of my place value and start to the left and go across until I can find two places that have, or a place that has two different numbers, and compare those. Always starting from the left. I hope that you found that helpful. Click like below and subscribe for more math lessons from the Math Maniac. Have a great day.